In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Teams, sign in with a personal account, create teams for your family or friends, and effectively use chat, calls, and video meetings. So let's dive in and get you started on this versatile platform. First things first, you'll want to download Microsoft Teams to your device. You can do this by visiting the official Microsoft website and navigating to the Teams section. Once you're there, choose the version compatible with your device, whether that's for Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. Hit the download button and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Be sure that your internet connection is stable during this process to avoid any interruptions. Now that you've successfully downloaded Teams, let's talk about signing in. Open the app and you'll be greeted with a sign-in screen. Enter your personal email address and click Next. If you already have a Microsoft account associated with this email, enter your password when prompted. If not, you may need to set up a new Microsoft account. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create your account, ensuring you input the necessary personal information accurately. With your sign-in complete, it's time to create a team. Teams are a great way to stay connected with family or friends, whether you're planning an event, organizing a get-together, or simply keeping in touch. To create your first team, look for the Teams icon on the left-hand side of the app and click it. You'll see an option to join or create a team. Click on Create a Team, choose Build a Team from scratch, and then select the privacy setting that works best for you. Name your team something easily identifiable like Family Hangout or Friends Chat. Once your team is set up, you can invite family or friends by clicking Add Members and typing their email addresses. Now that your team is ready, let's explore using chat, calls, and video meetings to communicate. For chatting, you simply select the chat icon and choose the person or group you want to message. If they're already in your team, you can start a conversation instantly. For calls, click on the calls icon. Here you can make voice or video calls by selecting the contact you wish to reach out to and clicking the call button. Video meetings can be slightly more planned. To organize one, click on the calendar icon on the left, choose New Meeting, and set the date and time. Invite participants by entering their email addresses and choose whether it will be a video or audio meeting. There you have it, a straightforward and effective way to use Microsoft Teams for personal communication. By downloading the app, signing in with your personal account, creating teams, and utilizing chat, calls, and video meetings, you'll stay connected with those important to you, no matter where they are. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.